This is not what you think it is. It's a GMC, not a TRX.
Not a TRX. So we're trying to come to a decision, Ike and I. We sold the TRX and we're like, okay, what comes next? And we are absolutely in love with these little Colorados. The question is, does $20,000 matter, right? And of course it matters, but we've got this one, the non-35 inch, the non-bison base style Colorado, $38,000, or for $68,000, you're all in, everything.
Look at that.
35 inch tires, the AT4X package, the two-tone interior. Why do I love that so much?
I know, that's beautiful.
Look at this thing right there. But you get the same, so it's basically the same truck. You get the 2.7 to 310 horsepower, 450 pounds of torque. I think it's a 9-speed transmission. Both same interior group. We'll show you the interior. So what are you really paying for the extra $10,000 upgrade? These 35-inch tires, the wheel flares, the bump outs that give you that TRX look. The tire
beautiful.
carrier, isn't it? Yeah, the tire carrier, the bumpers, GMC, the nice black exhaust tip. You get the branded interior, which really looks so damn good.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Like the two-tone.
Front bumper, right? All right, so there's your $10,000 upgrade. Now take a look at the interior on this one.
Check that out.
Oh, the new car smell, it will never get old.
Look at the AT4, so you know what you're driving.
Yep, it's not the X, but
Nope.
it's the AT4. Got the 9-inch screen.
Look at the screen, it's beautiful.
It is. This piano stuff, it's always fingerprinty, but it's nice. I love like these textures. Like look at the little camo pad here.
Oh, that's cool.
It's really cool. No sunroof in this, but I would prefer the cloth seats like it is. It does have a heated steering wheel. You can get heated and cooled seats. All the good stuff you can get with all these little trucks. Ike's like 5'11". He fit in there perfect.
Yeah,
with
this
the
is
seat in the right position. He can still fit behind himself.
it's a perfect seating position.
It really is, yeah.
A lot of cars, you know, you're sitting too high up
Yeah.
or too low, but I feel
Yeah.
like this is just
Yeah.
it's right in the middle.
It's not a speed demon. It's 0 to 60 in like 9 seconds for like both. But I mean, where the TRX was like 4. But that's not what we're shooting for this time.
These are completely different trucks.
Yeah, they really are.
One's for performance, this is for looks and fun.
Yeah.
I mean, fun.
That one, I think, is the beast.
Yeah, that's the
It
beast.
is killer.
But the question is, so we've already had a TRX. We're past that. We're looking for something
done a
new.
Raptor.
Yeah, we done a Raptor, a TRX. So for other people, this ATX here is $68,000.
Yeah.
You can buy a used TRX for around $68,000.
Yeah.
So which one is better?
Oh, man. Choices and choices, right?
So it's really just, what do you
Yeah.
want? Do you want a
Yeah.
crazy performance truck, or do you just want
Yeah.
something clean, subtle?
Yeah. Well, help us make a decision, guys. Comment below. Which one would you buy? Could not find myself buying.
No.
I just, I get what they're trying to do. I like the color.
Yeah, it's cool.
Like the colors are cool. This battleship gray color is cool. The orange, I'm on the fence about.
Yeah, the orange is a little flashy.
The green's kind of cool. But when you're paying $120,000, like, is this what you want? I guess if you got that kind of money, you don't care, right? This
Yeah,
is just your toy.
You're just buying stuff to buy stuff. You got,
Yeah. It's just funsies at that point.
yeah, you're just doing it for fun.
All right, so we saw Colorado for $48,000. We saw it with the 35s, the AEV package for $68,000.
Right there.
Now let's go see what a 1500 costs for the same package.
Okay.
And see what that is.
Yeah.
Because I know that's like a 6.2. And
That's, yeah.
the 6.2, so you get the 6.2 V8, obviously a bigger truck.
Is that the 10-speed still?
I think that's a
That them and Ford made?
Yeah. So over here.
Their hood.
Let's go down here and see.
These are all the 1500s.
1500s. 1500. AT4.
AT4X. Which this one's an elevation. No, it's
What is this one?
elevation.
Elevation?
It's a little bit taller.
It is, huh?
It's 57,000.
57,000 on this one. Cloth interior. Kind of a stripped down version, maybe. Okay, listen. This one has the AEV bumpers.
Okay, so this is it right here.
Yeah, so this would be it.
This is the
TRX.
bigger brother of the little one that we just saw.
Okay, so let me get a price on this one. 6.2, the AT4X stitching and all that. 83,000. So another 20 grand.
Ooh.
Okay. So another $20,000 decision. Do you spend? Okay, what was it? 40.
So you,
my
so
God.
the baby one,
Oh my God.
option one,
Yeah.
was $40-something thousand.
47.
47, and then another 20,000 for the cooler one,
Yes.
which was 68,000.
Yeah.
So now you make your decision.
Which that's where my heart is. But then you step up to the
Yeah.
1,500.
So you just made your $20,000 decision. You're getting your truck,
Yeah.
and then you come out here,
And you're like, no.
and you see this one for 80,000. Do you spend another 20,000?
Listen,
What's another couple hundred extra bucks a month?
Seriously, if you're making a payment on it, at that point, probably is a couple $100.
Yeah.
So, but for whatever reason, God, let's go look at that Colorado.
Say this one looks good.
This one looks.
I
good.
do like it.
I
It's a
like it.
1,500, but
Yeah, but God,
I feel like there's something special about
it's
this
a
little
baby TRX.
this little dude right here.
It's
It
a
is a
baby
baby TRX.
Okay, the only thing that's missing is the 6.2 out of that.
Oh my,
So 6.2 swap this.
that would be crazy.
If any of you guys want to collaborate and do that,
Yeah,
at your
we'll get it
expense,
done.
We're in.
Yeah, you guys
Yeah.
pay for it, we'll do it.
We'll bring absolutely nothing to it, but we will be there for the ride.
We've got a camera.
We got a camera. This right here, I don't know, like this is what's called.
This is calling my name too.
Let's go check out the Fords and Toyotas and see
Oh,
if that changes our minds.
the Ranger Raptors.
Yeah, let's go see.
Let's do it. Here is the new Tacoma. Good looking truck.
Ooh, that looks good. Dang, you know what? I think what it's missing is some black fender wheels.
Yeah, I
You know,
think
they
that
kind of
would
like
look pretty nice.
make it pop, but it looks good.
Yeah, I think it's clean.
56 G's. Look at that. 9 grand for lift wheels and tires.
Come on.
No. It looks good though.
It's good looking, but
Yeah.
really,
I like
it's
it.
pretty cool.
But it's just not grabbing me like
The other one.
the Canyon. It's just,
Yeah.
It's just not like punching me in the face. I like the interior. It's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
The interior looks good.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, and the ride height is pretty
Yeah.
beautiful. Good looking truck.
Yeah.
Take a look at the rear. Looks good. I like it. It's just the Canyon. It's just a little bit more special.
It just really is.
It's just special.
It is.
All right, next one.
Next one.
Bronco.
The Raptor Bronco?
Is it?
Yeah, look at that.
Ooh.
It's a Raptor.
I don't know what color this is, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it does look good, huh?
Like a gold, green.
All right, so would you rather do this than the Ranger?
Then the Ranger and the Canyon, or just the Ranger?
I guess out of all of them so far.
I think I would go with the Bronco.
Really?
I think so.
Dang.
I love the Bronco. But I don't know.
Okay, how much is this
One's
one?
a truck, one's not.
Yeah.
This one's 98,000. So I'm going with the other one. I take back what I said. Going for the other one. This is
I mean-
$98,000. And you could go get a TRX for less than this.
Yeah, you could right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not a brand new one, but
No, but
still. That color is pretty
Yeah, I
killer
like
on
the color.
there.
something about it.
Yeah, I like that color a lot. Ooh, I don't know. Choices.
Interior's not bad.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah.
I don't know.
Kind of a different league of stuff. I love the two-door. I think is my favorite Bronco.
Two doors are pretty cool. They
Yeah.
are pretty cool.
I love the impracticality, but I think they're just so
mean-
cool, so stubby.
You don't need to be practical when you're buying one of these.
I just love the size of them.
Yeah, I think it's pretty
Anything like size disparity, like big ass wheels on a little ass truck,
Yeah.
that kind of thing.
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Love it.
Two door. The Jeep
Yeah.
two doors look cool too.
Yeah. No, they're good looking, but okay, again, it's two different.
One's a truck. This is an SUV.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Two different cars. Two different price ranges completely.
And now that we've looked at the Toyota, the GMCs, Broncos,
Broncos.
where are you falling?
Okay, we're at from 50,000 for the cheapest to 100,000 for the most, and everything in between.
I know I just said I'd rather have the Bronco.
Yeah.
But right in the middle, the Canyon.
I think so too.
The big lifted one, white interior.
The ATX, the AV package and all that. Yeah.
I think that makes the most sense for me.
Yeah.
It's different for everybody. Some people might like this.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm a Ford fan, even though I drive a Chevy. We have all Chevys. All this, but I don't know. I think there's something about that little truck.
I agree.
It's so unique.
Yeah. Now we're in the same boat.
These are special.
They are.
Too, but
yeah.
I feel like the other ones are a little bit special.
Yeah. All right. Well, decision time.
So we'll see.
Tell you what, we'll put up a poll, see which one you guys think we should buy.
You guys vote.
You guys vote.
Which one? Or do you want to see one of these?
This goes back to the same 6 of you. Oh, Mustang. The same 6 of you that watch our videos that didn't buy merch when we asked you to each buy $1,000 worth so we could get a transmission.
Pretty messed up. You guys didn't do
If you 6 could vote on this, at least do us a solid there.
You're not going to give us $6,000.
Yeah.
Just vote.
Yeah.
Do something.
Until next time.
All right.
Stay tuned.
Moving.